It's the beginning of the year, which means it's the perfect time to get our houses in order. I have some of the best organizing hacks to share with you, so stick with me. I love to use large jars sitting out on my countertops. They're also great for your pantry. These are some of my favorites. You can pick them up at Walmart. They're glass. They have these gorgeous lids. They're perfect for flour. You can put oats in there. I also bought these scoops at Dollar Tree, and I had a fun little DIY that I did last year where I put the scoops on the outside. These are perfect to sit out and really affordable. Let's be honest, sometimes the idea of organizing your house can be really overwhelming, especially if you have a whole house that needs to be organized. So my tip for you is to break it down into smaller pieces. Just concentrate on one room. I'm in my kitchen right now, so I'm just gonna concentrate on my kitchen. I'm not gonna worry about the rest of my house. If working on one room is too overwhelming for you, break it down even farther. Just concentrate on organizing one drawer or one cabinet or just doing under your sink. I promise you're gonna feel a lot better getting one area organized, and don't worry about the rest, you can do it later. So I love glass containers with bamboo lids. I've had these now for probably a couple of years. I picked them up off of Amazon. I'll link them for you down below. The problem is when you take your dry goods out and put them into glass containers, you may not know when they expire. So I have a hack for that. What you're going to do is you're gonna get a chalk marker. This is one you can pick up at Dollar Tree, and you're gonna write the expiration date on the bottom of your container. That way, if you wanna know when it's expired, you just have to flip it over and see the expiration date on it. And you can also wash it off really easily when you put something new in it. I have these floating shelves in my bathroom that literally I probably haven't touched for several years now, and I want to make them more functional. So I bought this set of baskets at Walmart that I think is going to be perfect. In the larger one, I'm going to organize my toilet paper so it's in here and functional, and I'm also going to revamp the decor. If you have a messy drawer of ponytail holders and you want to corral them, consider getting a shower curtain ring. Now this one is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to slide all of the ponytail holders onto the ring and then clasp it together. Anytime I want to take one off, I can just open it up and easily pull one off. If you want to make your shelf look completely new, consider getting some of this easy shelf liner. I prefer the kind that doesn't stick down. That way, if I want to take it up, replace it, I can. You can also wash this really well, but it's easy to cut it down to size. It makes your shelves look nice and uniform and brand new. I had a lot of questions about my Alex drawer in my closet organization video, so I thought I would show you some of the ways I organize in here. So one of the things I use is this thrifted tray that I got. It's perfect for keeping all of your different hairsprays and like root touch-up. I have some claw clips back here. I also keep this little container here with scissors and like candle lighter. And then this is a container from Target. These are items I grab for pretty much every day. And then in the Alex drawer, I have it nice and organized. I put these labels on here so I know how to find things really easily. So in the top drawer, I have, this was hair. I need to revamp this because I put some of my brushes in here, so I do need to relabel that one. And then I have this one with like skincare items. I don't really have much in here right now. The drawers I probably use the most are the bottom three. So every day I pull my washcloths out of here. I also pull out, these are my little headbands that I use. They're in my Amazon store. I'll link them for you guys. But these are what I use to wash my face in the morning. And I also put these on whenever I'm wearing makeup. So my washcloths are in there. And then this is my palette drawer. So all of my makeup palettes are in here. I do get asked frequently, so I'll just tell you guys some of my favorite palettes that I use. I love this. It's called Glam Palette. And then the other one I use a lot is this Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I don't even know if they still make it anymore. I love makeup, so I have several palettes. And then this bottom drawer is kind of like my catch-all drawer. So I just keep extras of things, razors, you know, things that I don't use too often in here. I didn't tell you guys, but this Alex drawer you can actually buy at IKEA, and it's a great solution if you need to store extra items for your closet or your bathroom. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is organizing. I saw this next organizing hack on Amazon and I thought it was such a great idea if you're getting ready to move. So what you want to do is get different colors of duct tape. Then whenever you're moving and you're packing up a room, let's say you're packing up your kitchen, you're gonna put the same color duct tape on all of your boxes in the kitchen. Then just create a map. So like this color is for the kitchen, this color is going to be for the bedroom, and so on. That way when anyone is helping you move, they know exactly where to put those items in your new house. I hope this video gives you inspiration to organize your house and just get started. And I don't want you to feel discouraged because organization really does take time. So just concentrate on making little steps, but don't worry if your house is not completely organized, because I have to tell you, mine is not.
Okay, Liz, so we put down to show everyone how you use your microfiber towels in your kitchen.
That is such a great system. I want to show you guys this. This is something I've been doing now for several years and it works so great. So underneath my sink, I have a set of microfiber towels over here. They're in this little magazine file folder, and these are blue microfiber towels. I bought them on Amazon in a pack of 50. Now what I love about them is they're all the same color. So these are our designated cleaning towels. So anyone who does laundry knows to put them right back here underneath the sink, and they don't get mixed up with our other towels. This has been the best system. So even if you don't get these towels, maybe consider getting the same color towels that you can keep just for cleaning. I know I'm gonna get some questions about this turnstile. This is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies, and it's a wood turnstile that I got at IKEA. One of my biggest tips that I can give you to help you save money is to wait and buy your organization bins until you know what exactly you need to organize. So if you're clearing out a linen closet like this, go ahead, pull all the items out, get rid of the stuff you don't need, and before you start putting your items back in, that's when you want to go to the store, buy your organization container so you only buy exactly what you need for the space. It's going to save you a bunch of money. Baskets are always a great way to create stylish organization in your house. I love using them with my plants. I found this basket off of Amazon and I absolutely love it. I'll link it for you down in the description box, but I'm gonna set it on a stool next to a chair in my living room and then add in a plant that I already had. This one I actually picked up at IKEA. I buy most of my plants at IKEA. I find they have a great selection and they're pretty affordable. Baskets are also great for storing throw blankets and pillows. I especially like to do this technique in my bedroom because I have a lot of pillows on my bed and I don't want to throw them on the floor. So I have a larger basket. This one is actually from JCPenney. I've had it now for at least a year. You can use any basket to throw in your pillows or anything you have that you don't want on your bed at night. Last year, I did a really big overhaul on my linen closet, and I have to say I've maintained it really well. I bought some pretty baskets for my linen closet, and I have to tell you, every time I open up my closet, I'm so excited to see them. It's so pretty, but it's functional. I can keep my sheets in one, I have toiletries in another, washcloths, and it really just organizes everything. Since this style of baskets is not clear, sometimes it's helpful to label them just so you know exactly what's in your baskets. You want to make sure in high traffic areas you have really sturdy baskets. So in my laundry room, I actually have a mudroom space that we throw our shoes in every day. So I opted to go with plastic baskets in there. That way we can clean them out if we need to. They're just a little bit more heavy duty and they work really well. Now, if you're looking for affordable organization, don't forget Dollar Tree. I have found some of my best organizers there. I absolutely love these black and white ones, and I believe this year they come in a variety of colors. Those are great for organizing things like towels. In one of the baskets, I also have toothbrushes and toothpaste for my kids. You can also use these white baskets. These are great for holding first aid items and medicine.
Okay, Liz, next on the list. What is he doing? Next on the list is reorganizing the hutch in your bathroom.
All right, we need to tackle it. So let's go look at it. So this hutch is now in my bathroom. It originally was in my dining room, and I use it to store a lot of things, and it's super messy right now. I will say the top of it is actually pretty, it's not too bad. I kind of just have more, like I have some towels, I have some decor up here. This is some of my makeup that I use. I don't know if I even use all of it, but I probably could go through that. But then the drawers are what really needs to be organized. All right, you guys, don't judge me. This is my drawer of nails, and I just have so many containers of nails that I need to get rid of. They're like half full. I don't even know why I'm keeping them. So I need to go through, clear this out and organize it. And then also underneath here, I have some nail polishes. I keep towels, but look, it's just completely disorganized. So let's get this organized and make it functional. So my strategy for the nails is I'm going to pull out a set, and if the set is too many big, like if this is not enough for me to wear a full set, I'm gonna get rid of it because most of the nails are probably too big for me to use. And I'm just gonna go quickly and try to keep the ones that I can still use and get rid of the ones I can't. Now you guys, these are my favorite nails. These last the longest of any nails that I have. In my defense, the reason that I keep all these is if I lose like one nail while I'm wearing a set, I feel like I can come in and just pull one out of the box. So I don't know if I have a better system for these nails. You may not know this, but I actually have a second channel called Liz Fenwick Daily. On that channel, I post daily DIY videos. They're shorter, so you can watch them really quickly. So if you're interested in checking it out, go search on YouTube, Liz Fenwick Daily, and make sure you subscribe. This is the nail glue I use for all my nails, but I have a ton of these. So I'm gonna go through, pull them out and make sure they're good, like they're not goopy or anything, and I'll get rid of any ones that are bad. This is what happens when I'm disorganized. I buy too many. I do not need this many nail glues. So now that I have everything cleared out of the drawer, I have to determine where I want to put everything back. The cool thing about this drawer is it already has like built-in organizers, so I don't have to put anything in this drawer. Based on what I have, I think what I'm gonna do is put my glue in one of the containers, my tools in this one, and then I thought my most frequently used nails I would put here. So like I'm thinking my acrylic nude ones I'll put on one, and then I also wear these glitter nails a ton, so I'll put those over here. And then all of like my colorful nails like this, I will try to organize those in this big space that I have over here. So let's put all that together and see how it looks. This looks so much more organized, and I actually am able to see the nails that I actually have, so absolutely love this. So now I'm gonna tackle this cabinet down here. I'm gonna pull everything out. I'm gonna figure out what I wanna put back in here, and we can map it all out. Here's paint samples from my daughter's bedroom. Do those belong in here? I think not. A random iPad. And these are some nails I bought that I didn't like, so we're gonna have to donate those. So So one of the hacks I like to use whenever I'm organizing stuff like my hutch or my pantry or refrigerator is I grab some Post-its and I like to map out where I'm going to put everything so I have a plan so I don't have to just keep moving everything around. So I have some Post-its, I'm gonna write on there where everything's gonna go. If I need to move it around with the Post-its, I can do that, but it's going to be a lot easier putting it back in. To maximize your vertical space, consider using two-tier organizers. I like this one because it actually has drawers that pull out, so you have a lot of organization. So I have two of these. I'll link them for you down in the description box. But one is great for housing all of our hair stuff. This was sitting out, but I think it's gonna work a lot better in this cabinet. And then here I'm going to organize the nail polishes. And these come out really easily as well. They have dividers that you can use. So I have this container of makeup that I have displayed up here that really doesn't need to be out. It's not really pretty, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna move this down here. It feels so good to have this hutch organized. I feel like it's a lot more functional now. Now my next tip is for your vacuum. So if you have a tiny closet to store your vacuum like I do, consider hanging it on the wall. I actually have one of these wireless vacuums that are great. They come with the features, you can hang them on the wall, and it just saves so much storage space. This over-the-door hanger from Dollar Tree has so many different uses. I love putting it in my closet to hang up my brooms, but you can really use it in a bathroom to hang up towels. There are a lot of different options. Let me know down in the comments which of these organizing tips was your favorite, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.